To start writing your code, you need to install the IDE or the text editor where you'll be writing your code. So we'll be using Visual Studio Code. So in your browser, you type Visual Studio Code, download, press the enter key. So it's going to bring you to this website that has code.visualstudio.com. So you click on it. Or you can just go straight direct to code.visualstudio.com/download. It will also bring you to this page as well. So depending on the operating system you are using, whether it's Windows, whether it is Linux or Mac, so you download for your operating system. I am using Windows, so I'll go for this one. So I'll just click on this window. I can see thanks for downloading. And on the side here is downloading in progress. So I'll wait for it to complete. So it has finished downloading. I will come here and I will double click on it. So it will pop up like this. So I'll click I accept. I'll click next. I'll click next. I'll click next. Create a desktop icon if you want. Add open with code, yes. Add open with code, yes. I'll click next. Then I will install. So I'll just wait for it to finish installation. So it's almost done. Yes, so it's done. I can click finish. So that's how to install VScode. So, and just click on it to open. So this is how it looks. So you can go to file and start creating new file, or you can open a folder and take it off from there.